Welcome to Story Time. This week our theme is glitter. We're going to start with our hello song. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Story Time, we stomp and sing hello. Next, we're going to do the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Are you ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job. Our first book is called Also an Octopus. It was written by Maggie Takuta Hall and illustrated by Benji Davies and read with the permission of Candlewick Press. Also an octopus, or a little bit of nothing. Every story starts the same way, with nothing. And every story needs a character, any character you can imagine, like a little girl, or an adorable bunny, or better yet, an octopus. An octopus who plays the ukulele. But in order for it to be a story and not just an octopus, that octopus needs to want something, like a sandwich. No onions, please. Or a friend. Oh, hello. Or a totally awesome shining purple spaceship capable of intergalactic travel. Yes! But that ukulele playing octopus with intergalactic dreams can't just get a shining purple spaceship from, say, the drugstore. And just why not? Well, that would be silly. No, you're silly. And also, it would make for a very short, very dull story. For the story to be as totally awesome as a purple spaceship, the octopus has to earn it by, say, building it out of soda cans and glue and string and umbrellas and glitter and waffles. I'm not really qualified to build a spaceship, but it does smell like waffles, so that's nice. But what if the spaceship doesn't work? Then the octopus will try again, but this time with some help from an adorable bunny. Bunnies, while good friends, are not rocket scientists. Not usually, anyway. So the totally awesome spaceship isn't totally awesome yet, and it's certainly not capable of intergalactic travel. It's just a big mess. Thanks anyway, chum. By now, the octopus is starting to give up. The octopus feels heartbroken, as if the octopus will never, ever get on a totally awesome, shining purple spaceship and fly to other galaxies. The word you're looking for is despondent. So the octopus plays the ukulele because music is good for the heart. But as the octopus plays, a strange thing happens. The resolution to the story begins to take shape. People come to listen to the ukulele playing octopus. Friends, strangers, lots of people. And a few of those people, they're rocket scientists. It's true. Rocket scientists who don't just build rocket ships, they also play the saxophone, the tambourine, the trumpet, and the lute. So what happens next? That's up to you. When one story ends, it's just making room for another story to begin. And whether it's a story about a little girl, an adorable bunny, an octopus, rocket scientists, or a band, you've already got what it takes to make that story whole. Because every story starts with the same thing, just a little bit of nothing. And everyone has a little bit of nothing. It's true. The end. Okay, Next, I have a flannel board, and it's called 5 Little Unicorns. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I saw 5 little unicorns, creatures from folklore. I watched the blue one prance away, and then there were 4. I saw 4 little unicorns resting by a tree. I watched the purple one prance away, and then there were 3. I saw 3 little unicorns, but as near to them I drew, the green one pranced away, and then there were 2. I saw 2 little unicorns. I watched them run and run. The yellow one pranced away, and then there was 1. I saw a lovely pink unicorn standing in the sun. When I blinked my eyes, it pranced away, and then there were none. Okay, I have another book, and guess what it's called? Oh, Glitter! And it was written by Stella J. Jones and illustrated by Judy Abbott. And it is read with the permission of Tiger Tales. And the really cool thing about this book, it's got glitter in it. There was once a little rhino named Gloria. And Gloria's favorite color was glitter. Which is silly because everyone knows that glitter isn't a real color. But did Gloria care? No, she did not. Everything in her life had a little bit of razzle-dazzle. She wore spangled pants, glitter slippers, and a Glitterama Razzmatazz scooter. And everywhere Gloria went, she left a little bit of glitter happiness behind her, just like this. She glittered the banker and the barber, the baker. She dazzled the chef and the cabinet maker. She glitzed up the plumber. She spangled the drummers. She spritzed up the teachers and the long-distance runners. Don't they look glorious? Don't they look happy? Well, actually, they don't look very happy, do they? This is awkward. No more glitter, Gloria, they told the little rhino. But did Gloria hear them? No, she did not. There was only one thing to do, scrub off that glitter. But as everyone knows, once Gloria's glitter is used, it goes everywhere. Uh-oh, spoiler alert, it's about to get messy. Wally the lion bumped into Fred, who ran into Maisie and Daisy. How crazy! Then Harry hugged Larry, who shook paws with Gary, who high-fived and fist-bumped both Sally and Barry. Look at all that glitter. Soon Gloria's glitter had covered the entire town. There was some on the tower and lots on the steeple, as well as the market and all of the people, even Pa Elephant, on his way to see Skunk. Got patches of glitter all over his trunk. Oh no, everyone was so grumpy before. How will they really be angry now? What will they say? What will they do? Uh-oh. But instead of shouting and stomping and snorting, there was smiling, giggling, chuckling, chortling. Just like the glitter that was spread all around, the happiness traveled right through the town. Phew! Everyone loves a happy ending. Hooray for Gloria! She made the town smile with her razzle-dazzle. And even though it's clear to still see that glitter is still... And even though it's clear to see that glitter still isn't really a color, Gloria didn't care. No, she did not. The end. Okay. I have a scarf song today, and it takes 3 scarves, and they're red, they're green, yellow, and red. What do you think we're going to do with those? Green means go. Yellow means slow. And red means stop. Go, go, go. Slow, slow, slow. And stop. Okay, I have one more story to read. And again, it's about glitter. Just Add Glitter. And it was written by Angela Dicterlizzi and Samantha Cotterill. And it is read with the permission of Beach Lane Books. Bored, ignored, or feeling down? Need some fancy in your town? Want some shine upon your crown? What should you do? Just add glitter. Try a speck, a fleck, a sprinkle. See how things begin to twinkle. A little here, a little there. Glitter, glitter everywhere. Is your bedroom such a bore? How about sparkle on your door? Could your art use something more? Just add glitter. A dash, a dusting, or a touch. It's so small, but does so much. A little here, a little there, glitter, glitter everywhere. Are your walls asking for glitz? Looking for more flashy bits? Time for putting on the Ritz? Just add glitter! A pinch, a cupful, or a mound. Glimmer, shimmer by the pound. A little here, a little there, glitter, glitter everywhere. Have you made your whole world gleam? Do you love this glistening dream? Then grab a ton, have some fun, and scream, add more glitter. Uh-oh, stop. We've got enough. We're lost in all this sparkly stuff. I thought we needed all this bling, but it's too much of a good thing. The glitter made it hard to see. What sparkles most is you and me. The end. And this book also has glitter on all of the pages. I have one more little poem. They're just little poems to read. They're in a book called With My Hands, Poems About Making Things, and the words are by Amy Ludwig Vanderwater, and the pictures are by Louis Fancher and Steve Johnson. And it's read with the permission of Clarion Books. And there were just a couple of poems in it that seemed appropriate today. One is called Glitter Picture. Shiny, speckles, flashing, freckles, tiny, blinking, treasure twinkles, shower from my shaker, in a starry stream of winking sprinkles, drizzle on my picture, in a glinting, glowing gust, as I sing and scatter glitter, dazzled by its diamond dust. And the next one is called Mess, which usually comes after the glitter. Yes, it is my mess. Do not let it distress you. I'm making a project that just might impress you. Projects are messy, all makers agree. And the messiest maker of projects is me. I think my coworkers would probably agree with that. And our craft this week is a glitter picture. And in your kit, you'll get the background paper and 4 little packets of glitter. And then you'll get all different kinds of die cuts. and you can put them together to make your own picture. I actually did too. I have this one. You might want to put things on so that everything actually fits on the pages. I did not plan very well for this one. And then on the other one, I have my purple rocket ship. And I just, another helpful hint, if you have a tray or a cookie sheet or something to do put your glitter, your pieces on before you glitter, it will kind of corral the mess. And then I wanted to remind you that there is still time to sign up for summer reading. We have lots of activities throughout the summer. And come back next Thursday for story time with Miss Alice. The last thing that we have to do is our goodbye song. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. See you next week.